Today we're down here at Richard and Christine Hill's house and shop having a Volkswagen Tech Festival. Pretty cool. Got a lot of cars here, got a lot of people here. But it's one of those days where everybody jumps in and helps, and it's kind of a teaching session. Not everybody grew up around these things. Not everybody knows that much about them. So we're learning together. Take a minute, ask questions. And those of us that can, provide answers, learn different techniques, just helping one another out, making a day out of it. It's a beautiful day here that God has given us. Got Mike Blakely here checking the timing on this green bus. Really nice bus here. I know it.
Yeah, we just hook it to number one. Right here. I know it's got a water this is spark plug. Facebook pictures. Yeah. Sometimes you put that boot down further in there and keep it from wiggling around. It's a little better. See, that one right there is fairly snug. That's what the boot's for, to keep it from jiggling. Well, the boot actually seals out because that's your cooling tin. Surrounds your head, cylinder. Keeps that air from escaping out. Okay.
Mike, don't let me get in your way.
No, you're good, brother.
I like this. Nice ride
So
right
just
here.
hook this on number one.
And it,
right back here, the furthest one back.
does it matter? Like it says plug, so the plug has to be on this side of that?
That's right.
Does it matter? Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Is it on?
Alright. And then we can just hook the others right here to your battery post.
Okay. I guess we need to let it down, don't we?
It's not gonna hurt.
I don't know if I can reach the crank yet.
Oh, well.
I mean, that's
I guess that plays a factor.
I'm not that tall.
Somebody gonna climb in there.
He's like, I don't know how to get up there. If it's all right to climb in it, that's fine. I'll do that.
So what are we doing here? Valve adjustment, tune up?
Yeah, the valve adjustments are done. Just gonna check the timing on it.
Yeah, well, it hurts too much to do this stuff.
Yeah,
But it's nice to do it that way than on the ground.
I brought a snail so we can actually check the carbs too.
This better let down.
And this one right here, you could actually set your timing on it, and then you line your mark we put on your pulley, line it up to 0. So whenever this is turning, you could actually move this until that's on 0, and it'll tell us exactly where your timing is set. Static right now. Move it down. Yeah. I'm hitting my button. Right now. So we'll rev it up. You can watch it right here, about 2,500 RPM.
speedometer did maybe 300 miles ago.
I mean, it looks pretty good, but you never know.
What you doing now, Donnie?
We were checking his generator because it's not charging, and it's not charging.
Well, they're using cash.
But we grounded out the field, and it didn't change anything, so it should have made like, upwards of 30 volts if you directly ground out the field. But it didn't do anything. So. Might need to replace the generator.
Alternator conversion.
Or that.
That's what I may do. But it's
That's the best.
so original besides the, besides
That's
the
money well
distributor
spent, though.
Oh, yeah. Well, let me hook it back up to where you're not gonna...
now. You have the Crescent still?
Yeah.
Okay.
They fit right inside of the case.
Uh-huh.
That's nice.
I have the adapter for a Type 4. They had adapters for 2536 horse case. They had adapters for the front beam on a Beetle or a bus. They had adapters for transaxles that would actually hold the axles for a swing axle. But all this came with was the Type 4 one. The guy that I bought it from the dealer in his town when the dealer closed the doors.
Wow.
You know all about this.
I know, but I want it on a video. Come on now.
Why?
Because I said so. Come on.
Why do you want to be on video?
So, show me about it. Tell us about it. What it does. What it do? What is this thing? Come on.
It was marketed as a motor porter.
Motor porter.
And you could buy them privately, like private citizens could buy them, but they were mostly used at Volkswagen dealers.
And so you put it up under, and it
Y'all want him in the
clamps
middle,
right up on the
buddy?
bottom of the
Does anybody need a
case.
list of cars?
And it locks down. And you can pull the engine out and work on it. I've done top end rebuilds with it still clamped to this thing.
We're still clamped on there. Yeah.
You can do everything but split the case with on there. I've done a complete top end rebuild with it still clamped there and put it back in the car.
And of course the wheel lowers and
it rocks.
oh yeah, so you can line it up.
Well, you're like in a Beetle, you need to have it angled.
Right.
Yeah.
And where'd you find that?
At a Volkswagen shop in Mississippi where I bought my laundry bus that I used to have.
Do those cleats grab onto the ribs in the case?
No, to the studs where the case bolts together. See like that? It goes over the end of that. And you continue to lower it down a little bit.
Tell us about it, Mike. Tell us about the California trip.
It was a good trip. Actually went to the Octo show with the Orange County Transit Organization at the Long Beach Fairgrounds. Really big transporter show. Met a guy there to buy some big beef intakes for my turbo motor. And I just happened to come across this thing. The guy
Okay, so you didn't go out there to get it? Okay.
No, I had a plane ticket back.
Right.
Canceled the plane ticket and called Mama. Said, I found your bus. So I sent her pictures. Her biggest thing was get in it and make sure it don't smell like smoke.
Right.
So I asked the guy. He said, "Nah, Grandpa didn't smoke. He one owner, 26,000 miles."
Wow.
So
How long did it take you to get back to Alabama in it?
it took us 4 days. But, you know, we didn't hurry, of course. You know, 68 miles an hour. You know, and we stopped and saw some family, but It was a good trip. Didn't have no problems, except
6,000 miles. That's crazy.
yeah. Except for when we left California, going through California, Arizona, and Texas, there was like 35-mile-an-hour winds.
A little bit rough.
Man, you driving with the steering wheel quarter turn, cockeyed, wind blowing. As soon as you get underneath an overpass and blocks the wind, it was an adventure. It drove great. Never had an issue. It had been sitting since 2008. The old man that owned it passed away, and I bought it from his grandson.
So he'd have kept it tuned up, I guess.
No, the grandson.
2017.
Looking at his Type 3.
The CB Performance engine kit.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, they sent it all, and then I had it
Oh, I love
built
your
in
wheel.
Tampa.
Oh, this thing's awesome.
It's a good little ride.
Yeah. I'm hoping I can get that square back. I've been wanting one.
Look at it.
The Type 3.
Yeah, man.
Headlights.
Drives really good.
No, check it out.
Wider up front, too.
That's sharp.
Yeah, the seat's high. And the vent window works really good for keeping a good airflow. So look at the quarters. I put the pop outs in it, but look, the glass bends. There's no hinge. That's how they operate.
It helped if I turn the record button on. So just take a little minute and tell you, Dennis and I took a road trip this afternoon. We got some information about this car here, 71 Super Beetle. Just tell you a little bit about it. It's a pretty cool story. It's a one-owner car bought new in Montgomery, Alabama. It's original paint, original interior. Nothing's been done. This car's unmolested completely. It's got a little bit of rust in the battery tray area, but hey, they all do. But it's complete. Bumpers, everything's here. Car's locked up, engine's locked up in it, but that's okay. What do you expect for a car's been sitting since 1995. But it's pretty neat. Pretty nice color. Pretty sharp. We'll get it home. We'll wash it, clean it up, evaluate it, see what it looks like. All right, so that's going to about wind us up for this video and for this tech session day. I'd like to say a special thank you to Richard and Christina Hill for having us at their place today, for the exceptional dinner provided, and for everybody that come out and pitched in and helped one another. Just a good time hanging out with good people, hanging out with the Volkswagen community and helping one another. Hope we can do this more often. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.